OMEN Gaming Hub, creating and managing accounts. To access a full range of OMEN services in the OMEN Gaming Hub, you need to sign in to the Gaming Hub using an HP, Google, or Microsoft account. Creating an OMEN Gaming Hub account. To sign in or create an account, open the OMEN Gaming Hub. You can use the Account tab to create an account, manage an existing account, or to sign in or out of your account. Click the Account tab. Select Sign in or Create an account. You can sign in with an existing account, or you can create a new account by following the on-screen instructions until you are signed in to the OMEN Gaming Hub. Once your OMEN Gaming Hub account is active, many of the features in the OMEN Gaming Hub interface are active. The Active Profile and Default Profile tabs become available. The My Gear menu provides information on accessories that are supported on the computer. Gaming and AI-powered video creation software that could enhance the gaming and graphics experience are also introduced to the user. Managing your account. After signing in to your account, you can manage your account and customize account settings. To do so, select Your Account from the menu bar. Then, select Manage Account. The My Account page displays and allows you to edit the account and all information associated with it. To customize your account, click Edit. Now you can add an avatar or change your gamer handle, first name, and last name. You can also permanently delete your account. Note that you cannot change your email address. To select an avatar for your account, click the Edit button in the profile icon. A selection of different avatars display. Select your preferred avatar. Then click Save. Your avatar now displays in your profile in My Account and on the home page.